Everyone, whoa! Everything's going downhill. The stocks are going downhill and I'm going downhill here as well and taking you guys with me. So, unfortunately, it's still a downtrend in Chinese stocks currently, right? The US dollar is still super strong, and for a couple of reasons. Although the dollar seems to be overboard, but still, I would say there is still a couple of reasons why it's showing the strength recently. One of it is, of course, because there has been bad economic data coming out of China, and in the next couple of days we may even see a little bit more of that. So nobody can say whether or not this data coming out next week, in the next couple of days, will provide any significance in order for the dollar to start weakening, or if it's still supporting the ongoing rise in the US dollar and therefore putting more pressure on Chinese equities and risk assets. It's very possible that this continues a little bit, and that this possible topping out is just taking a bit of time, because it's just not always that this is going to be just in one little session, right, that we see a reversal. No, but I would still say that the likelihood is going more into the direction that we will see a topping out of the US dollar and rates over time. Just a little bit more patience, as I now have going downhill here on this slope. So sometimes it's just about enjoying the ride, even though it's downhill, and maybe the opportunity to pick up a little more of conviction stocks. Woohoo! This is fun. And nobody can time the markets, but time in the markets usually wins. And the important thing is that you keep on going and you keep staying in this market. And otherwise, if you sell, you're obviously going to miss out. One more reason why we possibly have a bearish sentiment towards Chinese stocks currently is the fact that Huawei is getting traction again, because they brought out the Huawei Mate 60, which certainly is able to do high download speeds without the 5G chips that they were sanctioned for. And this is putting pressure also on Apple, because they might be losing a little bit of market share here, right? This is the most awesome ride ever. So, bottom line here, enjoy the downhill, woo, relax, and things will just work its way out